Yes, you can. That's my boy. Okay, so you probably saw we went to Bass Pro Shop last Monday, and we bought a couple of things that we really wanted to use. We told ourselves we were going to buy something that we're going to right away use this week. So it's Saturday, and I'm about to sneeze. So we bought two things. These flies, and it's a pack of 12. And so I'm going to open one up, and I'll open it and show you what it is. I'll open it up. There's 12 flies. And then we also bought a tournament series Bass Pro Shop. Huge. I think 12-inch. It says it right there. 12-inch worms. These are super cool. They look almost real. Alright, so what's next?
The second lake.
The second lake. Okay. Smells fishy. So what'd you think of your fly? We messed with those flies.
It's really good. Honestly, I thought it'd be really light, but it has a lot of weight to it considering of its size. And I was able to cast it out there about 4 feet, 3 or 4 feet.
Okay.
And I thought it'd float, but I guess, like my father said, like my dad said, you might need, like my father, whatever. Like he said, how fly fishermen's, like the fly I was throwing was meant for fly fishermen's. Oh, my hair. Doesn't matter. And
I like the way you think.
And the line that they use is a floating type of line, so that's what makes the fly float. And I'm using just regular 6-pound weight line that's used for like freshwater. I mean, wait, what's considered this line? Just like regular fishing line?
Just regular monofilament is what they call it.
Monofilament fishing line, and that sinks. So that, and the line was pretty strong, so that made the fly sink. But it has great action underwater too. You see the little purple shine in the light.
Oh, it's almost like a little tiny mini jerkbait. Sinking.
Yes.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, my hair looks like a peacock.
I can't wait to use it, but I still haven't got my license.
When are you gonna get that?
Whenever I remember and go to Walmart. That'll be something I need to do soon. Especially with days like this. It's about what? Mid-70s, 77 degrees today? I didn't check.
High 70s.
77, 78 degrees. Still winter. Thank you.
People
nice
like below.
We're in t-shirt and shorts, and we're fishing out at the lake, or our backyard lake is what we call our backyard lake. Well, he's fishing. I'm watching. This is February 17th, right?
I think so.
And we're having a great time here. Now we're going to the north side. I was here this morning. But this time I get to fish. We got about another 40 minutes be on this side before we head home. And hopefully we can catch something here with those huge worms that you got.
Was it 6 inch? 12 inch?
12. Oh,
12.
Wow, look at this. This is so good. The fly. I wonder how we can make the fly float. I'm telling you, what about those little bobbers with like a 8-inch leader? Don't put the bobber right at the end. You put it over here.
Nah, the bobber adds too much.
And then, kind of like that lady was using the bobber that one last year. Remember to catch the blue? And it would keep the fly like only this much, or the little hook only this much in the water. Same spot.
Yes.
It's gonna try.
That's the best drinking fountain. I don't even know if it's a drinking fountain. It's just right there.
I'm sure it is. It looks like a drinking fountain. Look at the little bullies. I see the lady sometimes. Think you'll catch something?
Yes.
Hey, that's what you always say. Very good. Always gotta say yes. put out that vibration onto the universe. I'm gonna flip the
Let's
camera.
go push
so you
the
can see
bird
that.
watchers into the water.
Oh, we gotta love. Well, we heard a woodpecker today. We
You
came
did?
with Mom in
It
the
was
morning.
It was loud? Really?
It was hilarious, and it sounded like it was total cartoon sound.
That's how fast it was? It was
Yes.
like...
Ask Mom.
Did you see it?
No, we stopped there and we looked like bird watchers.
Did Tina look? Oh, no, you didn't bring Tina.
We didn't bring Tina, but we had the Tina look. We were just staring into the nothingness of the tree. And it was so like we gotta find it, and we gotta find it. We didn't find it, and then we had to go to the bathroom. But it sounded so funny. Almost like if he was hitting a hollow tree. Tick, 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 tick. It was hilarious.
But was it fast? Like...
Yeah, it was quick.
I'm surprised. Did they get like brain damage?
No, and I saw what for doing that?
Yeah, because
no. Well, maybe they're crazy. Woody Woodpecker was pretty crazy.